Folks, here we are at Mountain View Chevrolet, downtown Chattanooga, with another episode of Look What I Traded For. We traded for a 2010 Chevy Traverse. Local trade, one owner certified Carfax, 11,400 miles on a 2010 loaded, not just partially equipped. I'm telling you, this is a loaded Chevy Traverse. 3.6 liter V6 engine, direct injection, variable valve timing, clean as a pin. But you know, all of the one owner certified Carfax vehicles that we trade for or we go searching for, they're always cleaner. Be sure and ask your salesman to see that 117-point inspection checklist that this Traverse and every used vehicle on our lot passed with flying colors. Goodyear, all-season radial tires, books and manuals. Hey, there's that 117-point inspection checklist right there. OnStar, reverse sensing camera, DVD for second and third row, CD player, mini plug jack, dual climate control, heated leather seats, beautiful leather seats, a tan camel color, power passenger seat, incredibly clean floor mats. Look at the two-tone, the camel, and then the taupe grayish brown color as well. Everything throughout is coordinated. And second row captain's chairs with the armrest. Now guys, look how much leg room. You talk about an entertainment center. Rear air, there's the DVD player right there, and look how much leg room I've got in a captain's chair configuration. Seating back there for 3, 2 here. Check it out. 110 volt power. The kids want to play some Game Boy or some Xbox. There's your rear air controls. All you got to do is hook up the standard household 110. Cargo area back here, tremendous amount of cargo area. If you need more, it's as easy as flipping and folding down this second row. You've got a Class 3 trailer towing package on a family SUV. There you see the reverse sensing, and I just hit the button and here she goes. Power trunk deck lid. Easy to flip and fold these forward, literally 1, 2 steps, and that second row captain's chair folds right out of the way. Rollover airbag, side airbag protection, 5-star safety rating. Auto headlamps, tilt wheel, backlit gauge cluster system. Look how beautiful that is, even when it's sitting here dormant. Cruise control, audio controls. I mentioned OnStar. Guys, it's got it all, and it qualifies for that exclusive extended warranty coverage available only at Mountain View Chevrolet, downtown Chattanooga, 310 East 20th, and of course always online, yourchevyguys.com.